Hello, and welcome to the executive overview presentation of NetSuite SuiteSuccess for apparel, footwear, and accessories brands. In this introductory video, we will introduce you to the overview of SuiteSuccess, how it is designed for your business, and a brief introductory demonstration of the NetSuite solution. SuiteSuccess is a purpose-built solution to transform your business. We have taken the experience of tens of thousands of deployments, over 18 years in the cloud, and 3,000 hours of industry-leading business practice built into the apparel, footwear, and accessories solution. The solution solves the unique business challenges of the manufacturing, wholesale, and retail-driven industry. This means that you will have hundreds of roles, reports, dashboards, and business intelligence immediately available to you when you implement NetSuite to hit the ground running. This prescriptive approach drives quicker time to value, better ROI, faster user adoption with the ability to go live in 100 to 120 days. As we look at the apparel, footwear, and accessories industries, there are three key areas that drive the business. First, customer is king. More than ever, brands need to recognize and understand their customers. Communicating in masses is a thing of the past, and marketing teams need to access to data such as customer preferences, purchase history, geolocation segment, customer service records, and use that ability to deploy intelligent and personalized campaigns on a real-time basis. Second is efficiency, by providing fully integrated system for all of your key business processes to eliminate disparities requiring double entry, which ultimately will increase productivity and visibility across your business users to complement your customers. Third is omnichannel. In the modern economy, companies need the ability to sell their products consistently through multiple channels. They need a comprehensive system that will provide customer, partners, inventory, item, and order management to provide 360 view of the customers, enterprise-wide real-time inventory visibility in order to meet the needs of an omnichannel business. This next slide represents the stairway for apparel, footwear, and accessories with common impact and the solution as the business evolves. Often, this evolution is achieved through modern systems and defined business processes developed using leading practices across similar companies in the industry. The stairway approach recognizes that one cannot boil the ocean, and we understand it's virtually impossible to transform a business in one giant leap. For that reason, the stairway is presented in 5 consumable steps. It is designed to first remediate or fix the major technology platform issues, then to build on top of that platform in subsequent steps in a continuous process towards marketplace disruption. We stress continuous because NetSuite and its customers must also keep pace with emerging technology and competitors in order to thrive. We recognize that every business is unique and that one size does not fit all, in apparel nor in technology. Our team works to identify our business needs and priorities because everyone has a different starting point, business model, and direction moving forward. The stairway guides us, but it's a combination of working closely with your business and the NetSuite AFA team that adapts the stairway methods to your specific needs. Now that we've discussed how the SuiteSuccess offering and a stairway behind our approach, let's take a look at a brief demonstration of the leading practices and what can be provided from day one to accelerate your business growth. We'll start by accessing the company through NetSuite using any browser on either Mac or PC. We even offer a free mobile application, which I use almost daily to do such things as approve expense reports, purchase orders, or review my dashboard. It is very easy to stay connected in today's fast-paced environment. The lock icon at the top represents 128-bit SSL encrypted security, which is the same security used by global financial institutions, so you can be rest assured that your data and businesses are safe. The fact that NetSuite handles this level of security is a huge cost savings considering the amount of IT resources a company needs to simply manage the data security and disaster recovery plan for their legacy applications. With that said, it's accessible anywhere and it's secure at the same time. Now, let's log in to see what's behind the scenes. Now that I'm logged into NetSuite, you can see that I'm greeted with a comprehensive dashboard that is predefined in my role as a controller on what I can see and do within the system. It allows me to have immediate visibility into my company's financial health as a controller. NetSuite enables me to be as a user to be efficient and help me facilitate my daily work automatically without having to extract data, massage them in Excel, and present it back in a meaningful manner. Each tab also comes with a different dashboard for different purposes. For example, on the Suite View tab, it's going to be mostly driven on a Suite View specific KPIs and metrics. Similar idea goes as I go into the AR tab, it's going to show me anything related to accounts receivable in a consumable format as well as in a proactive way. You can also see that I have a few roles assigned to myself as part of the demonstration. These roles are based on a robust set of permissions and how we manage our segregation of duties. Each role comes with a pre-configured dashboard aimed at making users more efficient by providing the reminders, reports, and other links that are most relevant to the responsibility of that role. As I will demonstrate, by logging into a merchandising role, the user will be immediately greeted with a dashboard that is catered to the merchandising role, focused on inventory and inbound operations. These dashboards are among the hundreds of roles, responsibilities, dashboards, reports, KPIs, and business intelligence that we can provide you from day one. The pre-configuration cuts down our time to implement and allows users to recognize the value of an integrated system a lot sooner. These were based on feedbacks garnered from thousands of companies that run their business on the NetSuite platform. It is constantly evolving with the continuous improvement for you to leverage as they are developed by our team. You can take advantage of this best-in-class foundation. But of course, you can still tailor a system to make it yours. You just don't have to start from scratch. I can personalize it to really make it my own. And I am able to rearrange my dashboard by dragging and drop each portlet as I need it to, where I want it to be, or I can also add additional contents to my dashboard. There are a wide variety of what we call portlets that can be added to visualize the data in NetSuite. For our example, we'll go ahead and add a report snapshot. So, if there is a report that I want to hone in on or monitor closely, I have complete control to put that in front and center where it is at the top of mind. If that metric is no longer needed or important to me, I can remove it just as quickly as I add it. I even can define a layout on my dashboard, allowing me to fit more content on a single screen because of how easy NetSuite makes it to build and tailor dashboards. I can give my team the permission to personalize their dashboard whatever way works for them. However, if you prefer to have more control, you can publish and lock down the dashboard to ensure that your users are focusing on the metrics that you determine are most important. From a navigation perspective, NetSuite's UI allows you to execute your day-to-day activity in the most efficient manner. There are several ways to find exactly what I'm looking for in the system. At the most primitive level, I have the ability to drop down navigations that is old school to manage my day-to-day activities. Therefore, if I want to enter customer invoices, I can simply go to my sales and marketing tab and invoices to enter new invoices. If I want to run a financial statement, I go to my reports tab, go to financials, and click on the income statement. As you have noticed, I clicked Control-click to be able to open up multiple tabs. NetSuite allows you to open up multiple tabs and be able to compare and contrast it between transactions for the maximum efficiency purposes. I can also use my recent records to list out my frequently accessed transactions, or if I need to go back to a previous record to be able to see it. In this example, I'll click on the invoice, I'll go ahead and click Open, and add a new tab to the browser. Next, I can also define my own shortcuts, so I'm always a single click away from the parts of the system that I'm used to most. This can be links to anything I want: reports, entry screen lists, or queries of data, or even external URLs. However, I typically don't use them because I find that there are a lot better options to get to where I'm going. For instance, the global search. This is basically Google for NetSuite, where I can search across anything in the system. So if I type in the search bar, it gives me a list of search results that match, which I can drill into. If I want to narrow my search, I can just add a prefix to refine my results. So I can use numeric values, which make it easy to navigate to a specific transaction, such as a customer record. Here's a customer record, which I just accessed using the global search. Here's a customer record, which I just accessed using the global search. This customer example is B2C, but NetSuite can also capture B2B information to drive lead to cash management. With NetSuite, I have a complete 360-degree view of everything I need to know about my customer and all in one place. On the Sales tab, I have transactions related to this customer, from opportunities, sales orders, item fulfillment, returns, sales across multiple locations, items that were purchased, and an upsell engine. All transactions across all locations are managed on a single platform to support omni-channel transactions such as buy online, pick up in store, buy in store, ship from warehouse, and more while tracking them in a single screen. In addition, all this is reportable and can be repurposed for marketing campaigns for upcoming seasons as well. The Communication tab has the entire history of all interactions my company has had with the customer, including emails, phone calls, meeting notes, user notes, and anything else. The System Information tab will also show me an audit record of every and any changes being made on this customer record for transparency. This tab is available on every record for NetSuite where it will record when was it changed, who changed it, from what record, from old to new. Now, when I get a call from a customer, this is the first place I'll go to get caught up on our recent activities, transactions like sales orders, fulfillment, or returns across channels and stores. My team knows who to reach out to if an order is stuck in the mix or customer needs to adjust an existing order. The customer also has their own dashboard, so I can quickly get a snapshot of their history and other key metrics, such as their monthly sales trend or which item they have bought, very quickly using this dashboard page. My dashboard is a real-time, consolidated view of all the metrics that are most important to me. I can drill into any one of these figures to view the detail and give me a better understanding of my business. As I mentioned earlier, each role comes with a pre-configured dashboard based on NetSuite leading practices. However, as I hover over my reminders are unique to me and allow me to truly manage my exceptions. These are actionable links and can be tied to automated email alerts. I have a few bills to approve, which I can review in one click. If I'd like to understand more details about a specific transaction, I can drill into it for a closer look. For instance, this bill. We can use the file cabinet within the NetSuite to view the bill that is attached to this specific bill record. And NetSuite also has a full audit trail similar to customer record, so I can always identify who created or edited any transaction using the system notes. So as you can see, my reminders tell me that I have something to do, and they gave me a link to go to do it. So now I'm no longer the one holding up period and close with my untimely approval. Now that it is approved, not only are my reminders updated, but my financial metrics are also updated as well, so that the vendor bill that I just approved is already reflected in my total accounts payable and my key performance indicator on a real-time basis. As a comprehensive suite, the solution delivers a ton of KPIs out of the box, but my team leverages the ability to configure this dashboard. Now I can view my business exactly how I want. I'm also have the ability to compare KPIs, change the different states, have it available as a headline, and be able to see the KPIs the way I want it to. Now, I'm not a technical person by any means, but this is easy enough to use that I can get what I want very quickly without the help of an IT resource. I even added a rule to dynamically highlight this value if it happens to fall out of my comfort level. Now, everything is drillable, so if I click on my current sales information, I can see exactly how it has been calculated. Now, as I drill down into my sales information, I can continue to drill down all the way down to a source transaction, including the general ledger impact. As a controller, I'm responsible for a lot of areas in my company, but I'm not worried about losing visibility to any one area because each of these have KPIs and has the ability to drill down, investigate, and uncover any details. In addition to the KPIs, we include over 250 reports that are available from day one. They are all very easy to use and also have the ability to leverage the report builder to be able to customize your reports to make sense for your business. For starters, we can go back to the Sales by Customer screen. And within this screen, NetSuite provides me the ability to easily manage date ranges, whether that's days, weeks, years. I also have the ability to sort all the sales information by different channels. Furthermore, I can go ahead and customize this information with different layouts. This is the report builder screen within the NetSuite report. We can go ahead and add certain groupings. For our example, I'm going to add state and group all the customers by state. But all these columns are available for the users to be able to manipulate and manage. As I click preview, it will show me my results. Now I'm going to condense it and then be able to open up by different states. As you can see, we can see the states by customers. Now, I'm not a technical resource, but I had the ability to create, modify, and save this report for free use very easily. Lastly, this can also be imported into multiple formats such as PDF, Excel. We can also schedule the report and have it available at your fingertips. Now that we have covered NetSuite at an executive level, we have produced multiple demonstrations that allow you to dive deeper into our leading practices in each functional area. Please consult with your account executive to determine which video makes sense to proceed in. And this concludes the NetSuite Apparel, Footwear, and Accessories demonstration. Thank you for your time.